what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a cottagecore makeup tutorial. Let's just get started. Starting off, I'm just toning my face with a little bit of pure rose water. And then I'm going in with Glossier's Future Dew to prime. Next up, I'm going in with Glossier's Stretch Concealer and a Beauty Blender. Then I'm setting all the areas I've concealed with powder. And then I'm going in with the Glossier Cloud Paint. The key here is to not panic and use your Beauty Blender to blend. To check if the blush is too much, just use your phone camera. No clowns allowed here. Then I'm going in with this stick highlighter and highlighting. And now I'm setting that stick highlighter with the tiniest bit of powder highlighter. Now for the most iconic part of the look, start applying your fake freckle tint. Try and concentrate the freckles around the nose area and then dab with your finger to create a softer effect. Continue to build it up and use lots of layers. After that, I did my beauty marks, but you can skip this step if you're not into that. For eyebrows, I'm just keeping it relatively simple. I'm just brushing the hairs up and fixing the tails a bit. Time for mascara. I'm just applying 2 to 3 thin coats. For lips, I'm just applying a little bit of this super comfortable, super glossy lip oil. And we're ending with rose water too with this badescu setting spray. And that's it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe, it would really help me out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! The wind was a paid actor.